How to separate one cell in two parts. Hi everybody, welcome back to a video. In this new video, we're gonna learn how we can separate a single cell into double in Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your Microsoft Excel. After opening it up, you may just open the official one. I'm opening the browser one. After that is done, you just need to go on and select one of the cell where you want to split the cells into two. So here you can see I have selected this cell right here. So in order to split it into two, you're just going to right click on it and format. Just right click on it and you'll be able to see the format cell option. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll get an option at the right side where you can see border option at the fourth. Just click on it and here you should be able to find an option of split. Right now these features are not available to me, but in the official app you'll be finding those features available. So just click on it, click on the split one. For now I'm just going to choose this others as an example. After that, select the border, the type of border that you want to add it into the cell when you split them. Just select it. After that is done, just you may be able to see the changes in your cell that you tried to split just now. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to see the changes in your cells that you tried to split. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.